What's up, guys? We're back again for another video, episode number 4 for how it's made by ADV. Right next to me, we have the heat extractor hood. We're gonna take you through the install process and also the design and how we got to this exact style for the heat extractor hood. So let's jump right into it. So, as you guys saw, the install process is a joke of how easy it is. That is the closest bolt-on application you'll get for any fiberglass product on the market. We are known to provide the best quality, fitment, customer service, and the best thing about it is it's easy to go on. It was 2 people, 5-10 minutes max, to talk about the design features on the Bronco Heat Extractor Hood. The way that we decided to go about the design was we kept the actual style of the stock hood on the outside. So you'll see you still have stock dimensions, stock body lines that follow through all around here. However, on the Bronco, there's a raised section right here with no detail. It's really boring, it's flat. It's just from basically this edge to this edge, it kind of rolls across the entire surface. So we thought, how about we raise it up, add some heat extraction points, add some detail, make it look like it's an extra secondary piece, but in reality, it's built into the hood. So we'll zoom in and we'll show you guys there's actually a line in the center where it goes from this centerpiece to the hood itself. A lot of our customers will tape that off, paint this black, gloss black, flat black, or a different matte color so it stands out and it looks like a secondary piece. It makes the Bronco look extremely mean. It also gives it kind of that Raptor look. So as you guys can see, there are 4 areas on the passenger side and 4 areas on the driver's side. The openings are the same height all the way across. However, the width slowly gets larger as you start from the front and work your way backwards. There's plenty of openings for heat to extract out of the hood, hence why it's called a heat extractor hood. We do get customers sometimes that call in and they just want the look, which is totally fine. So they request that these openings are actually fully closed. It's completely doable. So if you guys want to order this hood with all these openings closed out, just make sure to call us or send us an email. It is a custom order, so that option is not on the website. In my opinion, they both look awesome. This was the very first hood that we designed. I was stoked when we finished it. It was an awesome hood. I'm still very happy with how it looks. The second hood we did was the Bronco Ram Air hood, which we did a video on that already. Both hoods side by side. For me, it's very hard to choose because I like both of them so much. So in the end, it's the customer's decision, whether you like this one more or the Ram Air more. You guys have both sides of the market. You get the aggressive Ram Air style, or you get the clean, versatile heat extraction style as well. So between this video and our last video that was focusing on our hoods, we have covered both hoods, heat extractor and the Ram Air. If you guys haven't seen the Ram Air hood video, make sure to click the link down below. That way you can check it out so you can see which one you would want to go with. Both share the exact same install process, 5-10 minutes, 2 people, very, very easy. To kind of walk you through the install, that way I can explain it versus showing you. The way you want to do it, basically loosen the 2 bolts on the passenger side and the rear, loosen the 2 bolts on the driver's side and the rear, then you're going to pull the hood completely off the vehicle. You can reuse the factory hardware in the rear of the hood. You will take the front latch off the factory hood and reuse it on ours as well. When you dry fit the hood, so you set it in place, you're gonna lightly open the front up. You're gonna get both people to lightly bolt down the bottom of the hood, just snug. You do not wanna fully tighten it down. The reason behind that, when the hood sits in place, you're gonna look at the passenger gap and the driver gap. You wanna make sure they're consistent from left to right. If they're not consistent, it's very, very easy. All you're gonna do, push the hood or pull the hood. Either way, to get the lines consistent from the left to the right. Once that's done, you're gonna lightly lift the front of the hood. You do not wanna be able to push it back or pull it forward. When you lift it up, slowly lift it up, just enough to get an actual tool underneath to fasten down the bolts on the rear of the hood. You start by fastening down fully the front ones on both passenger and driver, and then you work your way towards the back one. When you fully tighten the front one down, you're gonna close it first. You're gonna confirm that when you tightened it, it didn't move the hood at all, that it kept the hood in the exact same position of what you want the gaps to be. Once that's green lighted, open it back up slowly, bolt down both of the rear bolts as well, open it fully up, add the latch up front, close it down, and you are done. I think the explanation was longer than the actual process. So I appreciate you guys watching the full hood install for our Bronco Heat Extractor. And for next week, please tune in. If you guys like this content, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. And like I say on every single video, we want to hear what you guys want to see. So please let us know. Thank you.